Hey guys, Christian from VCM. We're back for the final stages of this detail where we'll be doing the full exterior wash and contact wash on the bodywork. So come along, let's get straight into it. Firstly, we'll be rinsing off the car and then misting Citrus all on the lower panels of the car. Car's got a lot of dust and build up from sitting around for a long time, so we'll hit this more for a heavier kind of pre-wash. Once we hit all the lower panels with that, we will be going in with Foam in our snow foam cannon. So going on top of Citrus to let it have that extra dwell time to really do its thing and break down a lot of that dirt and dust. We'll then rinse that off and go in with Reset. So Reset is our acidic shampoo, which will really help remove the minerals off the coating of this car. It has been coated many years ago, so it'll be nice to see how this will bring the coating back to life. Once we've finished washing it with Reset, we'll obviously rinse it down and then get into the drying stage. We will be blowing off most of this car, and once it's dried off, we'll then be going in with Ceramic. So this is our ceramic topper, which will really boost the coating and give it that really slick finish. Once we've finished it off with Ceramic, we'll then go in with Dress V2 again for the tyres this time, and just finish off and give it that nice, really nice deep satin finish. First, we're going to start with a rinse and just try to get off as much of the dust as we can. All right, so now we're starting the pre-wash stage. So first we're gonna go in with Citrus. So this is diluted 1 to 4 in this bottle, and we're gonna mist it on most of the car, mainly the lower panels, to just help kind of break down a lot of the dirt and grime. And then we're going to go over the top of it with foam as well, just to give it that extra dwell time. All right, so now that we've misted Citrus on, we're just gonna go over the top of it with Foam now. All right, so we've let foam and Citrus dwell now for nearly 10 minutes actually, now that the shade's gone away. So we're just gonna rinse this off and get it ready for the contact wash. All right, so we're up to the contact wash stage. We have Reset in the snow foam cannon and in the wash bucket as well. So we're gonna foam the car down and then hit it with our contact wash. So this will really bring it back to life and hopefully get rid of some of the water spotting. All right, so now we've got Reset in the bucket. We've got our wash pad in there as well. So now we're gonna hit the contact wash, obviously top to bottom, and get this ready. All right, so now we've done the contact stage wash, so it'll be a final thorough rinse. All right, the contact wash stage is done. We've done the final rinse. Now the car is ready to be dried. So we're gonna bring it inside, blow it off, and get it ready to go over with ceramic. All right, so for the final stages, we're just gonna go over the car now with Ceramic. So this will obviously seal the finish and give it a super slick touch as well. So we're gonna apply this with the wax and sealant towel and the final wipe towel as well. All right, so on to the final step of the car. The very last thing is applying the Dress V2 to the tyres. So yeah, we'll use our tyre hex grip as well, apply the tyre shine, and it will leave a nice rich finish on these tyres. All right guys, that concludes the detail on this VF Commodore. If you guys would like to try the products I used in this video, please head over to the VCM Performance website and you can shop the full YumCars range.